What's going on, guys? It's Nico here, and in today's video, what we're going to be talking about is how to easily make $10,000 a month online without doing Amazon, without doing Shopify, without doing any of those typical like drop shipping methods. Now, a lot of you guys are probably getting like inundated with just stuff about Amazon FBA, Shopify, like how to start an e-commerce business, how to start an online business. And those are all great. They're all viable business models. But a lot of times what's really stressful about them is you have to deal with the physical products. Okay, so you have to figure out how to fulfill them. You have to make a big upfront investment in order to purchase the products. That's not always the case, but for me, that's something that's kind of held me back from ever going into e-commerce. So what I'm going to show you guys today is exactly how you can start a $10,000 per month business without using any physical products. So this is all going to be digital. So there's no massive upfront investment, and you can also get started like literally today. There's nothing stopping you from getting started today. All right? So before we get into today's video, please, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that big red subscribe button. It doesn't take very long. Just click it or tick it. I don't know if they say that anywhere else other than California. Anyways, click the red button, get subscribed to the channel because I produce awesome free content like this every day. Be sure to hit the bell too so that you get notified right away every time I upload a new video. And if you get value from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. Every single one means a lot to me, so I really appreciate you guys. All right, so let's get right into it. The method that I'm going to be showing you guys today is how to make $10,000 a month with chatbots. All right, so chatbots are a pretty new marketing strategy, a pretty new marketing like method that I've been getting into a lot and having a lot of success with. So what this basically is it's basically an automated messenger chatbot. So it kind of looks and feels like you're chatting with a person. A lot of people can tell that it's, that it's a bot, which is fine. But a lot of people actually think that they're chatting with like a real human. So what's really cool about chatbots is they can make you a ton more sales. They can kind of replace customer support in a lot of cases, other than of course like picking up a phone and talking with a live human. They can help you sell products. They can send out broadcast messages and updates, coupon codes. Like literally there's so much that bots can do. So basically what we do is we go approach businesses who are already advertising on Facebook, okay? So specifically, they have an active Facebook page to advertise their business, okay? And the reason for that is because chatbots, they need to be hooked up through a Facebook page so that they can send out Facebook Messenger messages, all right? So that's why that's the one key there, but that's really all it takes. In fact, you don't even have to have a really big following on your Facebook page. You can literally create a brand new Facebook page like right away and then hook up a bot and get started pretty quickly. So those are the types of businesses to go out and look for. So we can actually kind of create a list of who might need chatbots. So e-commerce stores, spas and gyms, local restaurants, real estate agents, network marketers, car dealerships, social media and marketing agencies, bloggers and online business owners, course creators, coaches and consultants, and much, much more. So I just created this big list of people to help kind of like jog your memory and help you realize like, maybe there's places in your local city, in your town, or maybe you even know some people who already work in these sorts of professions that you could potentially help with your chatbot services. So step number one is basically just realizing the abundance that's out there. Okay, there's literally 65 million businesses who need your help with bots. Okay, like literally this is even back in 2017, there were 65 million local Facebook business pages. And like I said, you have to have a business page to be able to use chatbots, but now this number has probably grown since we're in 2018. When I'm uploading this. So there's like even more than 65 million businesses who need bots. And I can tell you a very, very, very small percentage of them are using them because this is still a pretty new thing. So you have like first pick at the clients that you want to approach and the clients that you want to help with this. Basically just realize that there's no shortage of clients at all. Absolutely not. So I want you guys to have this sort of abundance mindset when you're getting into this. But this is really, in my opinion, the easiest way to get started. Now, what do we actually like do when we're going to be approaching these clients, right? We can't just like walk up and say, "Hey, you want a bot?" It doesn't really work like that. A lot of times people are not super confident that they can, deliver the services, or they're like, "Well, I don't know how to build a chatbot. Like, what am I going to show these people, right?" Well, I'm going to show you guys. It's actually really, really easy. You can set up a free ManyChat account. So the link is manychat.com. Let me make this a little bit smaller so that you guys can see. So just go to like manychat.com. And what I recommend to all my students who are like brand new at this and who are just starting out is I recommend them to just create a brand new Facebook business page that they're just going to be using as sort of a test page so that they can, hook up a ManyChat account and build test bots. All right. So it's completely free. You can go out, you can create really as many Facebook business pages as you want, but all you need is one right now. So you can just create a free Facebook business page, hook up your ManyChat account, and start building free messenger bots as well. So that's what I recommend that all my students do, and that's also what I recommend that you do if you're looking to get into this. So all you need to do is you just click the blue button to create a new growth tool. That's going to help you get started with your bots. You can also go to automation and sequences. And this is sort of where you would build, kind of like the back end, like follow-up sequences of your bot. But what I would say is, build a couple in here first. Get comfortable enough where, you would be able to show someone kind of what you've created and what you've done. Then basically all you do is you approach these clients. You say, hey, I noticed you're advertising on Facebook. I noticed you're using Facebook to promote your business. What if I could show you a new way to get more leads, get more sales, and engage your following, and even potentially replace customer support in some cases? You can send them this link right here so that they'll be able to get started with your bot. Or you can, if you do a growth tool, if you do a certain type of growth tool, you'll also be able to have a link. You'll also be able to produce a link that you can show your clients, and they can actually go through the bot and walk through what it would look like for their business, okay? So super, super simple. Again, this is 100% free. It does not cost a big startup investment. So now the question is, well, how do we get this to $10,000 a month? Okay, it's super, super easy. So all we do is we literally just book 4 clients at $2,500 a month, right? So my students, I always recommend that they price their services between $1,500 and about $3,000 per month. And this is all from 100% free tools, no huge startup cost, no investment in a physical product or anything like that, no waiting for it to ship. You can literally get started on this today. And just to show you that this is real, I want to show you guys a couple examples of students that I've helped actually do this. Okay, so you see results from these methods. We see Scott, he says $3,500 client. Okay, so you can absolutely charge clients this much. Okay, so $3,500. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so here's another guy who was able to do $2,500 per month recurring in the automotive industry. Okay, so this is absolutely incredible. Literally, there's no reason why you can't go out and do this. It's literally just the belief in yourself. Okay, so I am here, Nico Moreno is here to tell you that you can do this. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys took value from it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel. Be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell to get notifications every time I upload a new video like this. And finally, if this made you excited, if you're like, yeah, I want to make $10,000 a month doing this, if that made you excited, then I put a link down below to a free online workshop that I put together that goes way more into depth on exactly where to find clients, exactly how to build a chatbot for them, and exactly how to scale this all well beyond 5 figures a month. So if that's something that you're interested in, there's going to be a link down to a free chatbot training below where we go, again, way more in depth. I think the training is about 90 minutes to 2 hours, okay? So you're going to have free access to that, 100% free, and I hope to see you guys there. All right, thanks so much, guys. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you next time.